So, class 7th, I will start today the religious policy. So, religious policy was Akbar. Akbar was an enlightened emperor who held liberal views on religion. He believed in the basic unity of all religions and respected them. He popularized the principle of Shu'ai Kul and religious tolerance. He believed in the equality of all religion and developed a scholar outlook. He believed in equality of all religions and developed a secular outlook. Sorry, developed a secular outlook. He won over the Rajputs by allowing them religious freedom and by observing their religious festivals. He abolished the jizya tax, it means jizya kar, in the pilgrim tax paid on the by non-Muslims. Jizya tax, a tax which the non-Muslim had to pay in a Muslim country. He gave high post to Hindus like Todarmal, Birbal, Bhagwan Das, the three main persons in Akbar. So, what is the three name? He gave high postage to Hindus like the Todarmal, first one Todarmal, second one Birbal, and third one Muslims. Around the same time, the fourth Sikh Guru, Ram Das ji, started a construction of the holy Sikh shrine of Sri Harminder Sahib. Akbar forbade cow slaughter and punished offenders severely. In 1575 CE, Akbar built the Ibadat Khana in Fatehpur Sikri, where he invited teachers and religious scholars for religious discussions. After hearing the discussions, he stated that all religions preached truth and that God was one. Clear? So, in 1582 CE, Akbar suggested a new religious path which was later referred to as a Din-e-Ilahi or divine monotheism, the religion of one God. Every member was asked to take an oath of doing good to all. In the month of their birth, they were to abstain from non-vegetarian food. Abstain, stay away, refrain. They worshipped the sun, fire, and light. There were no scared books, temples, priests, or rituals. So, as the membership of the new faith was voluntary, very few people accepted it. With Akbar's death, Din-e-Ilahi to disappear. Akbar tried to get rid of social evils like the practice sati and child marriage. He raised the minimum age of marriage for girls to 14, of the boys to 16. He also legalized widow remarriage. Akbar's cultural contribution. Although Akbar was not a man of letters, he was a great patron of learning. He had a marvelous memory and learned a lot of hearing. He held frequent discussions with religious thinkers, scholars, and writers. His court was adorned with the 9 Jains, who were highly accomplished and distinguished in their respective fields. Among the literary Jains of his courts were Abul Fazl and Faizi. Abul Fazl wrote the Akbarnama. Who has written Akbarnama? Abu Fazl. The most important thing in this chapter, who has written Akbarnama? Abu Fazl wrote the Akbarnama. Abul Fazl written, but real name Abu Fazl, which is an account of Akbar's life, and Aina-e-Akbari, which deals with the law and revenue system of Mughal Empire. Faizi was a poet who translated Ramayana and Mahabharata into Persian. Faizi, one of the poet, Faizi, named Faizi, Muslim person, named Fazi was a poet who translated the Ramayana and Mahabharata into Persian language. The Bhagavad Gita, the Bible, and other famous Arabic and Greek works were also translated into Persian. The benefit of the common man. Abdur Rahim Khane Khanan was famous for his job in Hindi. Tudarmal excelled as a revenue minister. Bhagwan Das, brother of Queen Jodhabai, and Man Singh were excellent generals. Birbal victimism has now become a part of Indian folklore, while Tansen, the greatest singer of the period, enhanced Hindustani classical music with compositions of new rags like the Raga Darbari in honor of Akbar. Among other were a well-known physician and Mullah Dog Paisa, known for his ready wit. Sheikh Mubarak, a Sufi influence, Akbar thinking which made him liberal in his religious views. Surdas, Tulsidas and Mirabai were others who received royal patronage. Paintings. The art of the painting was encouraged and royal karkhanas or ateliers were established where artists from various parts of the country could gather to work. Local styles were blended with Persian style. Paintings mainly depicted hunting scenes and court scenes. Using bright blue and red colors. Painting was also used for book illustrations. Two extremely talented painters in the court of Akbar named were Jaswant and Baswant. The two extremely talented painters in the court of Akbar. What is the name? The name Jaswant and Basant. Architecture. In the field of architecture, the most outstanding contribution was the building of a new capital at Fatehpur Sikri, 36 kilometers from Agra. So, which was chosen because it was the birthplace of the Sufi saint Salim Chishti. It has several fine buildings such as the Panch Mahal, Jodhabai Place, Diwan-e Khas, Jamia Masjid, Ibadat Khana and Buland Darwaja. The fort also consists of the tomb of Salim Chishti, which is in white marble. Fatehpur Sikri was soon abandoned due to unavailability of water. Akbar built many forts and places. He preferred red sandstone to marbles. The last days of Akbar were full of grief. His son Murad and Danyal died. Impatient to secure the throne, his only surviving son Salim had revolted against him. Abu Fazl, a close friend of Akbar, was also killed in the process. However, Salim and Akbar settled their differences and Salim was proclaimed his successor. Akbar died in 1605 CE. Akbar died when he was died. Akbar was died in 605 CE. According to Abu Fazl, Akbar was a main vitality and a connoisseur of all arts. Connoisseur means expert. Akbar was a main man of vitality and a expert of all the arts. He developed a new image of the emperor as not just a military leader and patron of the learned, but one among them. Akbar had a successors therefore developed a different notion of kingship from the Delhi Sultans. In the Akbarnama, Abu Fazl writes that Akbar had passed through the most diverse phases of religious practices and beliefs from early childhood. He gradually became convinced that there were sensible men in all religions and austere thinkers in all nations. Therefore, he wondered if some truth was found everywhere. Why should truth be restricted to one reason? So class, this chapter is done. So today I will provide you all the exercises in this chapter, Akbar. Thank you.